Okay, welcome back to the channel, part 15 of the SV rebuild. Things are slowing down at the moment. It's the middle of winter, coming up to Christmas, so funds are fairly tight, but there are still a few jobs to carry on with. I've got lots of different ideas going on in my head at the moment. I still want to use the Ducati exhaust, and I still want to use the RGV 250 seat unit, but I want to get this bike on the road, see how it is, and then I'll probably start working out which way I'm going to go on it. So with that in mind, I bought some stainless steel pipe off a company that bend them for you, took the measurements, got them slightly wrong, I must admit, and for the time being I'm just going to fit this little stubby exhaust and go from there. This company actually swaged the ends of the pipe for you as well, so you send them the details of what you want and they put the swage in the end for you for different size fittings. And you were needed 51mm for one end, 55 inside diameter for the other, so I sent them the details. They sent the pipe back, pre-bent, pre-swaged. All I needed to do was cut 4 slots in the swaged end so that I could then use a clip to hold it nice and tight onto the bike itself. I'd always heard about using a grease gun to get the pistons out of a caliper. Never seen it done, and never done it myself, so I thought I'd give it a try. And hey presto, it works. Trying to get both the pistons out at the same time is quite difficult. I did struggle a little bit, but we got there in the end. As I said, in the shed, it's cold. I really do need some heat. And if you can't have heat, a brew will do. Now I think this is where the cold must have got to my brain, because I didn't set the camera up properly, so you can't see what I was just doing. But basically I've got some rubber grommets that I've taken off another broken project that I've got. Measured up the holes into the under tray for the Suzuki, and I was going to fit those and put a couple of bolts in. So I drilled the holes, fitted the rubber grommets, then went over to the bike. I'd already got the holes marked out anyway on the bike's bodywork, and just basically a couple of screws, job sorted. So that's the under tray fitted, a couple of 5mm bolts. I then wired up the number plate light that was fitted onto the under tray when I got it, and thankfully it works. So another job less to do. Now I did go back in the shed. What I was going to do was to see if I could bend this pipe a little bit more to make the exhaust squarer onto the frame, if you know what I mean. But it's just too damn cold, so I've given up. It was currently sitting at around about -6 in the shed. So time for a brew, and I'm going to leave the video here. Love you and leave you. Say Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year, and we'll see you in 2023.